Hello everyone, I am Bogdan, and in this video we'll be taking a look at the LED stoplights on the Audi A4 B8. One of the common problems that you will see on many A4s is the LED stoplights, which have LEDs that stop working completely or stop working intermittently. Having the same problem on my car, I proceeded in opening the tail lights to search for the cause of this issue. While inspecting the board, I didn't see any corrosion, I didn't see any major electrical failures. What I have noticed was that once I was applying pressure on the LEDs that weren't working, they started to function properly. This makes me think that it's more of a mechanically induced vibration related fault rather than electrical or water related. Also, taking into account the fact that the majority of cars that I've seen have this problem only on the taillight modules that are on the tailgate or on the booth lid. This also makes me even more confident in saying that the way that the owner is closing the booth affects the longevity and the function of the taillights. We know what caused it, we know what not to do in the future so that we are not ending up in the same situation. Now we still have to fix our taillights. For doing so, we have two main options. One of them is replacing the module completely. At the beginning they were quite expensive. Now you can find them at better prices. They will not be original, they will not be the Audi ones, but you still are able to find depot and other aftermarket manufacturers that will give you a quality product, a product that you will be able to install on the car and not be able to tell the difference between the original and the change part. The second option, it's less expensive, but it is quite tricky and risky. It requires you to open the tail light. You'll be cracking open the plastic. This procedure is riskier because you might damage the tail light completely. If you feel confident enough and you want to attempt this repair, I found a very interesting article on this topic. You'll have it linked in the description. The only thing that I would change in that article is, rather than using a screwdriver for cracking the plastic, I would advise you to use a pizza slicer. I know it sounds strange, but I have used something similar in the past with very good results. It allows you to spread the pressure better and reduces the chances for you to damage the taillights. Now, this being said, I hope that this video helps. I hope that you are able to repair your taillights. If I forgot anything, please let me know in the comments below, and I shall be seeing you in the next video.